of trade saw the Dalal Street fight back and end in the green. The Sensex closed 40 points higher, while the Nifty ended 0.25% in the green by the end of the day. The Bank Nifty had an off day today and ended about 8 points in the negative, that is in the red, whereas managed to keep the head above that 14,200 mark. Let's get some perspective going then. Anuj Singhal joins in now with the detailed analysis of today's trading action. Anuj, flattish close, but better than other benchmark global indices today.
Well, it was a range day today for the markets, but I must say that our market was actually the best performing market, and that was because in the second half the market again saw some buying and quite a bit of recovery. That was led by a clutch of heavyweights. So all these stocks helped the markets. As I said, it was the best performing market globally. If you take a look at some of the stocks that led the market recovery, ICICI Bank, Reliance and TCS were really your top gainers. Some other nifty gainers included stocks like BPCL, Idea and Lupin. So these were also stocks that gained ground. On the losing end, you had stocks like HUL, Eicher Motors and Coal India. Some of the losers included some of the private sector banks like IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank and Axis Bank. Outside the index, some of the mid-cap losers today included Mindtree, post-disaster set of numbers. HCL Infosys was down 4% and KPIT Tech was down about 4%. So mid-cap IT didn't do too well. And some other gainers actually included stocks like PVR, that's the Kabali fever rather, 9% higher. Canara Bank was up 5%. Some PSU bank recapitalization was finalized today, and Gokaldas Exports was up 12%. So the market's message has been clear that at higher level there is a bit of a struggle because of valuations, but this is not a market which is going to be charitable and give you a big dip. At lower level, there's quite a bit of liquidity which is supporting this market.